Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I have a couple of Christmas trees that I need to put together for my home, and come on with me guys. Now when I went to the Dollar Tree Plus section and I go to film, I saw these, I think they're about 3 to 4 feet. These Christmas trees here are full. When you try to fluff them out, they are not skimpy at all. I was very happy with them. And no, this is not sponsored. Okay, now this video is part of a collaboration called Christmas Trees. And this is being hosted by Sunflower Tosha DIYs, and the co-host is So Kate. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, as you can see here, I puffed out the branches, at least of this tree that you can see. I did 2 of them. And now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it in lights. And you could see the inside is pretty full. This was a good buy. Now, I would love for you guys to head on over to my community tab, where there you will see a whole list, a calendar of collaborations. I'm sure you can find one that would fit your niche. Now, I do have 2 collaborations that are out, and they are open playlists until Christmas Day. And I couldn't get by without letting you guys know that it is an open playlist, and we can make a DIY, or we can decorate. It's called Last Minute DIYs or Last Minute Decorating. And you can go ahead and let me know, and I'll add you to the playlist. Now, these ladies that we're hosting with today, so Kate and Tosha DIYs, they're absolutely amazing content creators. So make sure and you subscribe to their channel, and click the like button and share their videos, guys. They're amazing. Okay, this is beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.